accurate this is, but it says I've lost 1 point. I weighed myself today and it said 242. Yesterday it was 243.3. So, potentially I lost 1.3 pounds today. So that's pretty good. Again, I don't know how accurate that is, but I'll take it. So here's today. My wife laid out a little basket for us. Planned our meals for the day. Breakfast, a snack, and lunch. I might get another snack today, which should probably be the oatmeal. Not oatmeal, sorry. That should be popcorn. But I'll order that separately because my app tells me I need 2 Nutrisystem snacks a day, where she only gets 1 snack a day. Today I did a little better planning on this grocery shopping. So breakfast will be oatmeal here. And a hard-boiled egg. And of course my Perrier. Yesterday I finished off my day with smart water. Probably the most pretentious water drinking of the day. Nothing but Perrier and smart water. And so to make this, combine 1/4 cup fat-free milk. I got 1% milk. So I'll have to do microwave on medium for 2.5 to 3 minutes. Then remove and let stay in for 1.1 to 2 minutes. So let's check this out. Alright, got a bowl here. There's a little perforation there, that's good. Looks like regular old oatmeal, just a insanely tiny amount. I got my Sam's Club milk, measuring cup, milk, looks like you'd expect. Now 2.5 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna do 3 minutes. So I'm supposed to have a Nutrisystem entree, which is my oatmeal. Scan that. It doesn't find their own food. Alright, well it does on the second try. Power fuel. I'm gonna put in egg and see what we find. We'll put egg large, that's what it is. Alright, and that's my power fuel. So my breakfast should be taken care of. And about an hour and a half, I'll get to have some chocolate chip cookies. So I cooked it for the appropriate time and it overflowed. Actually, I got 43 seconds left, so that's only 2. I put for 2:45, so now for 2 minutes it exploded in the microwave. That's not great. So, looks like oatmeal. Tastes like oatmeal. It's good. Sweet. Real sweet. Gotta find a better way to cook it. Alright. Thumbs up again. Alright, it's a little past time for my 11 o'clock snack. Luckily, Amazon just delivered what should be my popcorn. be right back. Yeah, it's as big as my hand. It's a pretty decent amount in there. 150 calories. I'm not trying to add that for my snack. So I should have my morning snack. I'm gonna add that. Scan it. Log it. Alright. I don't predict this to be very good. Oh. It's okay. It's not super crunchy, but it tastes fine. Kind of bland. Certainly edible though. Alright. Thumbs up again. Alright, it's about my lunchtime. I already had some carrots and a V8. Which I didn't see any reason to record. So I got 3 of my vegetables down already. I had a breakfast with an egg. So for lunch, I need another power fuel. I forgot that yesterday. There's a bunch of options. I'm gonna eat a little string cheese thing, just like yesterday. Alright, so let's just see what's in this filler. Go ahead and try to scan this in. That works. Alright, so you gotta preheat the oven on a baking sheet. Yeah, I'm gonna microwave it. I don't want to take that long. Microwave the plate, assemble, and then cook for 45 seconds. That seems pretty easy. Yep. Pretty tiny. Got a plate. Don't know if there's top or bottom. I'm gonna put this little guy on top. Yeah, it's hard to tell. It's almost the same size. That's what DJ Bishop said. Things are about the same size as this. And I'll get a little bit of sauce. And cheese. I guess I should smear that out a little bit. Sauce tastes okay. Not super great. Does not look very filling. Alright, now I'm gonna cook it. In a related note, I drink coffee all day, so I drink these half-caffs. So I just love coffee, but I don't want my heart to explode with too much caffeine, so I use these little Green Mountain Half-Caffs. Alright, there's after 50 seconds, it said 45 seconds to a minute. A lot of steam coming off. Piece is sort of melted. It smells pretty good, actually. It smells really good. There, it's gonna be a little too hot. I'm gonna pause it while it cools off. Alright, I'm gonna give it a bite. It's pretty floppy. I'm gonna make it look a little taco. Still pretty hot. It's tasty though. I like it. Thumbs up. Yeah, doesn't look very pretty. After I finished that bag of popcorn, I wasn't excited about it, so I'm gonna give it. The popcorn's my least favorite thing so far, but this pizza's pretty good. All right, see you later. All right, so it is snack time for dinner. I took a picture. I didn't put it on the other camera. Chicken kebab, like a rotisserie chicken from Kroger's or Sam's or whatever. It's vegetables. And then for a smart carb, I had mandarin oranges. So, doing pretty good. I had a shake for a snack, and that was my power fuel. Those shakes count as power fuel and a smart carb for dinner. There was egg in the salad I had. And avocado ranch dressing on there, but just a little bit. We split between 3 people, so I think I did all right there. And I had plenty of vegetables. I had carrots earlier in my salad, so as mentioned, and a V8. So it shows I still got 354 calories. Pretty good. And I'm at my water today. Apparently, I didn't drink enough water because I have now been drinking this much water, and it seems like a lot. So this should be pretty good. Chocolate chip cookies. Go ahead and scan it in with the NUMI app. Scans right up. Log it. Another day in the books. 200 calories left. So only 1,300 calories. Oh, it doesn't count the V8, which is 70 calories, but they don't count because they're vegetables. Small little cookie, a little thin. Very crunchy. Very good. Yeah, that's great. That's like a real cookie. In hindsight, I wasn't super crazy about the popcorn. I'll eat it again. But it was my least favorite of everything I've had. My wife and I both agreed the pizza was fantastic. Tiny, but fantastic. And these are great. So far, Nutrisystem was a big win. My least favorite would be the popcorn, probably then the snack-arounds. But my wife said snack-arounds could be her favorite, so. But these are pretty good. Alright. I will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a cinnamon bun, which I'm looking forward to. Honey nut pretzel, honey mustard pretzels or something like that. And chicken noodle soup, which I'm not looking forward to. Alright. Be back tomorrow.